Hello guys, so for today's video we'll be showing you how to fix a problem on account transfer in League of Legends. So first off, here we are in League of Legends. What you want to do is go to the League of Legends app on your desktop or Mac. Okay, now once you're inside the app, go to the upper tab portion and then click on the store and then click on the account. Just follow the arrowhead on the screen. So after that, it will show you the different locations on where to transfer your account, but there seems to be a problem sometimes on different locations. As you can see here on the screen, you have to work it out. What you want to do is go to your Chrome or your search engine and then search League of Legends support, and then click on the first entry and then wait for it to load. And then as you can see here that there is a Vietnam region support ticket problem. So, but on the following days or weeks, or if you're not around the Vietnam region, this should work fine. Okay, so usually with account transfers, it becomes unavailable in the League support system. But don't panic, just wait for a few days and it should come up again. Thank you.